Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are doing well. If you are new to my channel, then please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so you can get notifications of all videos related to scholarships, fellowships, jobs, internships, and technical tips and tricks, and also about free courses. Today, I will tell you how to host your website, a static website on Netlify for free with Git integration. Importing your site using Git to Netlify means that you just have to push your code to your GitHub repo, and continuous deployment will take place automatically and instantly after every push, and you don't have to redeploy your whole site after updating your files on Netlify. This is one of the main benefits of using Git with Netlify. Some of the benefits of hosting your site on Netlify are: at number 1, your site will be hosted over HTTPS, which means your site will be secured. Number 2, you can customize domain name of your site as you wish. Number 3, when you push your code to GitHub using Git, and when you import your site from GitHub to Netlify, then you don't have to redeploy your site after every update. You just have to push your code to GitHub using Git, and continuous deployment will take automatically and instantly, and your site will be updated automatically. At number 4, you can host your free static websites, as many as you want for your portfolio. So now I have downloaded a free Bootstrap template for my portfolio. I will provide the link in the description below to that free Bootstrap template. You can also download that and customize it on your own. I have customized it already for my portfolio. Now I will tell you how to deploy or how to host your website for free on Netlify using Git. After customizing your site, you just have to integrate Git to your project. For that, you will have to just write git init command in the terminal, which means you will initialize an empty repository in your project. After initializing, you will have to go to your GitHub account and create an empty repository over there. Let me create an empty repository in the GitHub, and after that I will push my code files to GitHub using Git. So I am now at the dashboard of my GitHub profile. Just click this plus sign and create new repository. After that, name whatever you want. After writing the name, just click on create repository. After that, just copy this HTTP address and come back to your VS Code editor. Now here, just write git remote add origin and paste your HTTP address which you have copied from your GitHub repo, and press enter. This will link this project to your GitHub repo. Now after linking, you just have to write git add dot, which means you are adding all the files to your GitHub repo. For Git to work in the VS Code, make sure you have installed Git locally on your PC. Now after adding all the files, write git commit dash message and write the message which you want to keep with this push on your GitHub repo. Let me add some message here. After writing message, just press enter, and now I am pushing all the files to my GitHub repo. For this, you just have to write git push origin master. This command will push your all files on the master branch of your GitHub repo. Once it's done, just go to your GitHub repo and refresh the browser page. Now you will see you will have all the files that you pushed from VS Code to your GitHub repo using Git. Now the next step is you just have to log in to your Netlify account. If you already have an account, then log in with your own credentials, and if you don't have an account, then please sign up using your credentials, and after that come to the Sites tab of your Netlify dashboard. Now here there are two ways to host your website on Netlify. First is you can import your site from GitHub, and the second is you can also just drag and drop your site's file on the Netlify and your site will be hosted automatically on Netlify. In this video, I am telling you how to import your site from GitHub to Netlify so that you don't have to redeploy your site on Netlify again and again after every update. Instead, you just have to push your code to GitHub repo using Git, and continuous deployment will take automatically and instantly after every push, and site will be updated automatically. So for that, you just have to click new site from Git, and after that you just have to choose your repo provider. I used the GitHub, so click on GitHub. After that, it will authorize your GitHub account. So here I made Netlify only accessible to some of my repositories. If you don't see your repository here, just click on can't see your repo here, configure the Netlify app on GitHub. Just click on this, and after that write your password and authorize it. And after that select the repository which you want to import from GitHub. So now I want to deploy the Rehan's portfolio repository on the Netlify, so I have to select this. After that just click on save, and you will be redirected to the Netlify dashboard, and here now you will see the Rehan's portfolio repository here. Just click on it, and after that just click on deploy site. Within no time your site will be deployed and hosted on Netlify, and it will give you a random default domain name of the site. Just click over there and you will see site is hosted, and site is hosted over HTTPS. And now you can also customize the domain name of your site. Just go to the Netlify dashboard again and click on site settings. After that, after scrolling down, just click on change site name, and now you can also change the site name of your website. After that, you will see the site domain name of the site is changed, and when you click on this updated domain name, you will see your site is hosted over this domain name. And if you refresh your previous domain name, you will have nothing to see here. Now you can also delete this site from Netlify. If you want to delete, you just scroll down, click on delete this site button, and just type the name of the site to confirm deletion. If you write the exact name of your site, and after that if you click on delete button, your site will be deleted. Now let me give you an overview of continuous deployment feature, which means you just have to push your code from your code editor to GitHub using Git. Continuous deployment will take automatically from GitHub to Netlify, and your site will be updated automatically and instantly after every push to GitHub. So let me change the hero section. Let me change the name. And after saving it, let me follow the same steps again. Git add, git commit dash message, revamped something, again git push origin master. Now once it's completed, just go to your GitHub repo and just refresh the page, and you will see there is a second push just 23 seconds ago, and you will see the commit message here, revamped something. Now when I go to the Netlify dashboard and when I go over the deploy tab, you will see the deployment is taking place automatically and instantly from GitHub to Netlify here. I pushed the code from code editor to GitHub with the message revamped something, and that message and code is redeployed to the Netlify with the same settings. And now if you refresh your hosted site, you will see the name is changed from Rehan Halil to Rehan Developer, which means your site is updated as well. So this is a practical example of importing the site from GitHub to Netlify and continuous deployment. I hope you will like this video. If you find this video helpful, then please like the video and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for more videos. I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.